Hi, I'm Megan, an enforcement officer at CRPD. I recently completed an advanced diploma in digital design at the Malta College of Arts, Science and Technology. In my free time, I love to draw and create 3D models. I'm here to share a quick update on Activate, a project co-founded by the European Union to Erasmus+. Activate's mission is to empower young autistic people to confidently advocate for their rights and support other autistic youth. We've just hit a big milestone. The Activate academic curriculum is complete. It includes 6 training units. These are foundations of advocacy and self-advocacy, education and inclusive learning, accessible health services, employment and workplace inclusion, policy change and legal rights, and digital advocacy and online campaigns. UCAP is now developing the Train the Trainer program. The goal of this program is to equip trainers with tools to create inclusive and accessible learning environments that are safe and respectful. In addition, trainers will gain understanding on how global and European autism advocacy and its terminology has evolved over the years. Trainers will then be able to use this knowledge to empower autistic youth in progressing along their self-advocacy journey. So, if you want to learn more or get involved, then visit our website and follow us on social media for updates. Thank you for helping us create a better future for autistic people, and we look forward to keeping you updated with the progress of Activate.